fighting cancer is hard, why should the treatment make it harder? Chemotherapy is a cancer treatment that utilizes strong drugs to destroy cancer cells. Approximately 15 million cancer patients in the world utilize chemotherapy for cancer treatment. Chemo has several major side effects, but the one we are addressing is peripheral neuropathy. So here's what happens when a patient takes chemotherapy drugs. It's designed to attack cancer cells, but it doesn't stop there. The drugs travel through the bloodstream and often build up in areas like the hands and legs where there's high blood flow. And that's a problem because the nerves in those areas take a hit. The drugs break down its protective coating, called the myelin sheath, and damage the nerve fibers. This is a serious complication that disrupts a cancer patient's life, causing intense pain and numbness, making the simplest daily task a challenge. But the damage doesn't stop when treatment ends. Neuropathy can lead to chronic pain that lasts for years. In fact, around 40% of patients continue to suffer from CIPN symptoms a year or more after chemo. What's worse, it can force dose reductions, increase tumor growth, delay recovery, and jeopardize patient outcomes.
The need is clear, and so is our response.
Our product is a specialized double-layer garment that encloses the arms and is connected to a portable machine that circulates a glycol-based coolant through the garment. A pipe connects to both sides of the machine with a pump continuously circulating the coolant. The excess pipe is coiled around the arms beneath the garment, ensuring uniform cooling. The coolant maintains its optimal temperature for approximately 4 hours. When it's time to recool, the user simply has to remove the coolant container, refrigerate it for an hour, and reinsert it into the machine. This system induces a state of mild hypothermia at a temperature of 10 degrees Celsius in the limbs. The controlled cooling slows down metabolic activity and constricts blood vessels, which reduces blood flow to the limbs. Less blood flow means less absorption of chemotherapy drugs in nerve tissues. Unlike stagnant cooling, which may still allow some drug accumulation, the constant flow further disrupts the drug's ability to linger.
Additionally, the garment exerts a measured amount of compression similar to a medical sleeve. The pressure works hand in hand with the cooling. It further limits blood flow to the limbs and pushes the drugs, encouraging it to flow with the blood, therefore not allowing the drugs to settle down. We have received clinical validation for our product from multiple centers such as Samprada Cancer Hospital and HCG. With a total production cost of 7,500 rupees or $86, our product remains highly affordable within the medical industry, where treatments like cryotherapy can cost $50 per session and spinal cord stimulation surgery ranges from $7,000 to $10,000. Both of these are the only two solutions in the market addressing neuropathy, but neither effectively prevent nerve damage. They only manage symptoms.
The current market focuses on pharmacological interventions, but clinical trials show that they're not consistently efficient and do not eliminate CIPN. This is where our product stands apart. While some existing solutions rely on either cooling or compression, our product combines both. This is a game changer because we're preventing it from happening in the first place, leading to less pain and better recovery. Not to mention, it's consistent. Unlike ice packs that quickly lose effectiveness, our system maintains a stable cooling temperature throughout. Furthermore, cancer patients already have enough to manage. Imagine dealing with ice packs during chemo, messy and inconvenient. Finally, our product is a one-time durable investment with minimal recurring costs. Once purchased, patients don't need to worry about replacements or extra expenses.
We plan to start with a 20.5% profit margin, pricing each product at 8,999 rupees, which is roughly $100. Once we establish a strong customer base and gather positive feedback, there's potential to gradually increase our profit margin while ensuring our product remains accessible. In the future, we can also look at bringing down our production cost to increase profits through economies of scale and streamline production. To bring our product to market, we're looking at multiple funding sources, including government grants like the Biotechnology Ignition Grant, which offers up to 50 lakh rupees for medtech innovations, and strategic partnerships with hospitals like Tata Memorial Hospital. With this, we'll conduct clinical trials and launch the product in the market. Post-launch, we'll refine the product to improve efficiency. This will ensure gradual scaling while keeping the product financially sustainable.
Since approximately 15 million cancer patients worldwide undergo chemotherapy annually and 30 to 40% of those patients suffer from extreme neuropathy, we believe that the demand for our product will be large. We will be catering to both individual patients as well as major cancer institutions. Even if we take a 0.2 adoption rate of the total market, by the end of year one, we should have an estimate 10,500 units sold. Based on this, we have a projected total revenue of approximately 1.13 million USD and total profit of approximately $232,000. Since this is a one-time purchase with minimal maintenance, patients and hospitals will see long-term values. We will establish a strong first mover advantage in the market. With Nuventus, we are not just changing patients' experiences, we are creating a sustainable business with high growth potential. And that's something worth investing in.